EFT tapping is the only way that I have found that has healed my deep inner child wounds, my unworthiness wounds, and most importantly, my limerence wound. So this video that I did went viral, and there's so many women sharing the same experiences, and you have no idea how happy this makes me feel. I know it feels like we're trauma bonding, but it's like I feel so seen and validated, and I feel less alone because I was sharing a story about how I was deep in limerence for like 5 months. I'm so glad I snapped out of it, but the only way that I was able to snap out of it and get to the bottom of it, because again, the previous person that I was in limerence with was not the first one. Like literally, it just kept happening for me again and again and again. And I was like, okay, I need to stop this. Like this needs to really leave my nervous system and my body for good. And the only way that I have found that helped is creating safety and security within yourself and your body. Because when you are in limerence, you are in your head. You are not in your body. And it actually feels unsafe to be in the body because all those feelings of discomfort and feelings in general that are coming up is so intense that your body just feels unsafe. Like your nervous system have just learned that I am unable to process this. I am unable to feel this. So it's easier for me to just distract myself. I am going to just focus on this person that is not giving me attention, but I'm in love with. I am just going to focus on when this person is going to message me. And there's also like that push-pull dynamic that anxiously attached girls are weirdly obsessed with. At the end of it, it really is just a nervous system response. And so when you can get to the bottom, to the root of your problem, to the root issue of this, it is never going to happen in your life again. I have not experienced limerence ever since I went deep to my sacral chakra and, healed the root of these patterns, right? Because if you don't get to the bottom of your beliefs within your body, it's going to keep coming up in different people your entire life. So this is why I laid out an entire process. It's a sacral chakra healing journey, but there's EFT tapping in there. There are energy healing rituals, but really what has truly helped me is just EFT tapping and inner child work. And that is what the sacral chakra healing journey is. It is inner child work. It is basically getting to the bottom of this center that rules your worthiness and rules everything pleasurable and beauty and joy. And so if you don't feel worthy or deserving of experiencing that because you have a wounded sacral chakra, then it doesn't matter what anyone does outside of you. When that person leaves, another one is going to come in and just show you the same exact pattern. So until and unless you get to the bottom of this, it's never going to go away. Like that's literally what I found. Like I'm reading this book, Becoming Supernatural by Joe Dispenza. You can join our book club, by the way. It's linked in my profile, and we're basically doing live reflections. We are doing the meditations together. We have live Q&A, but essentially what this book is saying is that as well. Like he talks about the energy centers. He doesn't call it chakra, but he calls it the energy centers. And he also says that the sacral chakra is how safe and secure do you feel within yourself, right? And in my own work, like that really has been what I have been learning to rewire, is that I need to make my body feel safe and secure in the now, right now. Like I don't need anyone else to make me feel a certain way. So the more that you can find that security and safety within yourself, the more that you can teach your body that I can handle all of this. I can handle this discomfort. I can handle this pain. And at the end of it, it's just feeling. And EFT tapping has basically helped me with that immensely. I do not know where I would be without EFT tapping. Like, I don't know how to release my beliefs or how to soften it without EFT tapping. Like, that is just the most powerful tool that has worked in my life. My life has completely changed from EFT tapping and also obviously doing Daddy Joe work. So when you combine EFT tapping and Joe Dispenza meditations, oh my God, you guys, like I'm a completely different person. I even look different because of inner work. So I'm proof that you can do this. You can really just come back to your body and teach your body safety and security, and your life will look different. So if you need help, I have the Sacral Chakra workshop linked in my profile. Ask me any questions in the comments below. Let's help each other out.